Hello, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. I have my monthly kit from Echo Park that I wanted to show. It just arrived today by mail. And this is the inspiration sheet. This one is the Oh Happy Day Echo Park paper line. And it does have this layout and this tag to make. So, and then it does have some other inspirations here to use with the card stock. And it did bring out a new cardstock. It's called Family Night, and it's available in the stores at echoparkpaper.com. So, and this one is the summer market. That one is already available. So this is the new one. It looks like a family game night and a bingo piece. So, and then it has little ephemera pieces. So that's pretty. And this one too, the summer market. So now I'm going to show you what came in my kit. I'm going to show you the washi tape. It's Oh Happy Day. It has 30 feet. And this one is Carta Paper Company. And that is the design of the washi. See that? Then I'm going to show you the stamp that comes with. So this one says, thank you to and from, just for you. Thank you so very much. Smile. And friends are flowers in the garden of life. And then it has flowers, butterfly, and a heart. 2 hearts actually. So that looks pretty there. Then it comes with this ephemera pack from Carta. Oh Happy Day. It has 33 pieces. And this is what's inside here. So it has a tag and some cutouts there. And then it comes with frames and tags. And this one also has 33 pieces. And that's how that looks. Then the 6x6 paper pad of Oh Happy Day Spring. It has 24 double-sided papers. And let me show you really quick. So that's the back of it. That's the front. Oh, that is cutouts there. Very pretty. Pink with red polka dots. And then this one has little hats, flowers, some frames, flower pots, some more vases with flowers, strawberries, some cut aparts, the alphabets, and I believe it goes back. No, some more cut aparts. These are little bumblebees, flowers, and that's where it repeats. Yep, that's it. So now I'm going to open up the 12 by 12. I'm going to show you first the sticker sheet of the 12 by 12. This is the sticker sheet, and how many stickers? It doesn't say how many it's in here. Nope. So that looks like that. And that's the ending, the borders. So, oh, it has another sticker sheet with the alphabets with little flowers in between. And then it has 2 flower pots there, and then that there. So that's the first layout. Oh, those are nice tags. You could cut them out. I believe the tags are the ones that you could do this. Inspiration, no, it's not. So, but you still could use those. The big polka dot ones. That's a cute for layout. The hats, dreamy florals. The frames again. And more cutouts. And the flower pots. The lemons. And again the alphabets. And more cutouts. The little bumblebees. And the florals. The flowers. And there you go. And the last one is more cutouts. And little birds. Very cute. And that is it for my kit for March for the Echo Park monthly kit. And I also want to show you, I still have a lot of cutouts that I want to cut out and show you while I'm home. While I'm home stuck. So I have this big bin, as you can see. And I have die cuts and paper and more die cuts that I have to show you, and things from AliExpress. I picked all this up months and months and months ago, and I never cut it out because I didn't have no time. So now I do have time since I'm stuck isolated at home. So hopefully I could get to it. So that is it. Please give my YouTube channel a thumbs up if you liked the video. And if you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment down below. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.